So in the last video we looked at sending the model using 123D Make to a laser cutter and slicing it up, but there's also options where you can export as STL files for use in routers, and 123D Make also has a utility where it'll send it to a 3D print, and when it opens up, and you probably will have to install this beforehand, it will process the model into its own 3D print utility, and they use by default the MakerBot. So as soon as it's processed, it appears in the MakerBot modeling space, and this is obviously our model that we've created. And again, as soon as it comes in, it will have the dimensions on there, but we might want to get rid of those. And you can see at the moment it's estimated to take 2 hours 9 minutes to print that. If we optimize it and hollow the model, we're probably going to find that it hopefully will take a lot less time to print. So it has reduced it by a couple of minutes, nothing major, but hopefully should use a lot less material when it comes to make it. So just another option for you, that we can either output it in sliced for laser cutter, use the 3D print utility, or the other option that you have to send it out to things like CNC routers is that you can export the slice mesh as a .stl file, which you can bring into a post-processing utility which you use to run your router.